Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Aces of bot in Dragon Ball Legends. So I made this video for beginner or new into this game, how this game is works and how you can challenge the event or completing mission and get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started. The Aces of bot. This is the robot assistant to help you get faster in level up. Let's tap the SSO bot. So there are three robots in the SSO bot feature. The first one, the red one, is the digger. This is the chrono crystal mining robot. Tap the info here. You can acquire the following item like 40 chrono crystal until how many times? Until 30 times in 30 days. So you can get the crystal and the digger also. You can get until 100 chrono crystal in 16 days. Or if you are need the skip ticket, you can get the skip ticket printing robot. You can get until 30 in a month. So you can use this skip ticket, a ticket that lets you skip the story battles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.